niya. Kano?
$3 po yung unang scooty na. Kahit saan po, $3. Itong cash po.
Alright, let's start with Jane. Let's do it. Let's go to the random dance.
Siyempre hindi! Team Sexy Australia, game na ba? Yan!
Let's do it. Team Sexy Australia, go! Magkano tayo mag-selfie? For Team Sexy Australia, let's give a cheer! Alright. Parang ulitin natin, parang medyo nahirapan ako mag-decide eh. Nandito pa naman yung Philippine Consulate General natin. Ulitin natin, Team! Ganda, friend!
Ang dami, ang dami! Kasi 1,000 plus, hindi lang
1,000 plus? 1,002 ito, ilan ba yan? Thank you very much for being such a good sport for this afternoon. And of course, world premiere. If you're sending money to the Philippines, wala yan. Kayo masarap.
ako si Sarah, thank you so much.
Thank you, Bella. Thank you to our challengers.
Napakagaling sumayaw ah.
Nahirapan ako sa last step I actually practiced 200 times, pero hindi ko naman nakuha. I will sing later na lang para makabawi ako sa inyo. Thank you very much.
Lisa, oh my gosh, hindi mo compliment so much. I didn't see you, so I think
Ako busog ako. Street food is what I love. Ay, yung mga Ilocano! Kaway-kaway mga Ilocano!
And it is my honor to be back here in Sydney to just, of course, represent TFC and be a part of the Pasko Festival. Is everyone having a great time today? And just in the last couple of days as well. Okay pa po ba tayong lahat? Okay ka po ba? Alam mo, gusto ko lang i-acknowledge ang bango ng barbecue. Ang bango talaga. Sobrang nakakaano. Baka mamaya makita niyo ako dyan. Dami ko na binibili dyan. Kasi syempre, ganun daw talaga when there's like festivals like this, celebrating our culture. And then pag yung mga ingredients bali sa ibang bansa of our Filipino food, like syempre, Here, I think it's just right. I actually enjoy the sun, so it's great to be here and just celebrate with everybody.
That's great. Ate Morrison, you know what? Can I just say, Ate Morrison is not only so talented, but she's so also beautiful. Oh my God! Kita niyo ba yan?
Sarili